Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. In our practice today, we'll be focusing on balance and strength using some of our larger muscle groups, like the quadriceps or the thigh muscles. So let's begin on your backs. Hands by your side. If it's comfortable for you, gently close the eyes or lower your gaze down and out. Focus on settling in, connecting with the breath, the internal energy, our intention for our practice. Begin to feel yourself settle in. You're present here and now. All the places where your body touches the ground. Try to feel into those spots. Bring your awareness there. Let it ground you. And then we come back to the breath. Relax the jaw. And allow your tongue to rest on the roof of your mouth. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Slowly start to deepen the breath, bringing it way down into your abdomen. Allow your breath to become natural, effortless, and trust that your body knows how to breathe. Take a few moments here as you rest your attention on the movement, flow of your own breath. Begin to ask yourself, what is your intention for your breath? What are you ready to fully align with? What is your intention for your breath? Trust that your intention is already within you. And the only thing required is that you listen and feel. And now we'll begin to deepen our breath. Feel free to shift around. Find comfort in this nurturing place of presence. Feel your physical body relax. Become aware of your skin touching the floor. Allow your bones to be heavy and let your muscles soften around. Thank those bones and skin and muscles for getting you this far. Surrender into the undoing. Surrender to gravity. The need to hold on. Surrender everything. Honoring the ability to honor yourself. In this moment, allowing just your breath to be as it is. And as you rest your attention on the movement, the flow of your own breath, we'll come back to the question of what was the intention for your practice? What are you ready to fully align with? What is your intention? This could be love, contentment, abundance, peace, happiness, joy, or something else entirely. Ask yourself, what are you ready to align with? And trust that your intention is already within. The only thing required is that you listen, feel. Notice your breath once again and the steadiness of your body. Short breath into your bones. And now begin to bring some awareness back to your body, back to your senses, to your surroundings, and the space that you occupy. Perhaps introduce a little bit of movement in your fingers or toes. And if you like, you can do your wrists or ankles in rotation, if that feels good to you. And perhaps you'd like to reach your arms up overhead or your toes in the opposite direction. Feel the whole length of your body spread across your mat, taking up as much space as you possibly can. Feeling as if you've just woken up for the first time, all over again. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, bring your knees into your chest. Wrap your arms around your shins or your legs. Bring them in nice and tight. And give yourself a gentle rock from side to side. If you'd like, you can pull on your knees a little bit closer to the chest. Massage the low back right into the ground. And then when you're ready, go ahead and swing your legs around. Let's come to seated. We'll begin with our feet together. Baddha or butterfly. Take your hands around the ankles, shins, or wherever it works for your body. And then arms rest on your thighs. We're still cold at this part of our practice, so let's take it easy. Inhale to pull the spine nice and long. And as you exhale, fold over, out, and down. Your gaze is just beyond your toes. Hands can walk out in front of you if you like. And you can drop your head in. Or if you'd like more of an active posture, keep your hands on your shins, press into your thighs lightly, forearms as you bend down, looking out in front of your foot. Wherever you are, inhale, come back up to a seat. And then we'll bring our knees together and swing the legs around. Feet out in front of you. Knees have a slight bend to it, so you can keep your back nice and straight. You elongate the spine, including the neck area, pulling the chin down and in a little bit. Inhale and lift your arms. Exhale, fold out over and down. Turn inward. Relax your hands where you like. Mine are by my sides, but you can grab your feet if you'd like. You can grab your shins. Inhale, roll back up to seated. And now we'll swing our legs around again to come to a tabletop pose. We'll begin in cat and cow.